Hey everyone, welcome to our new video. Many of you requested me to show how to use Deepseek new version 3.1 model and Gemini 2.5 Pro model with cursor for free, because in my last video I have shown you that how to use it with client in your VS Code extension, right? Now in this video I will show you how to use it with cursor. Here you see that this is my cursor editor, and here I have added these two new model in this drop down from this model selection. So the first one is this Google Gemini 2.5 Pro, and the last one is this DeepSeek. This is version 3.1. Okay. Now to add a new model, here follow my cursor. On the right hand side, you will find these cursor settings. So just click on it. Now after that, under cursor settings, you will find this model option on the left hand side. So click on these models, and after that you will get all of these model names. So currently these four models are selected, like Cloud 3.5 Sonnet and DeepSeek version 3.1 and this Gemini 2.5 Pro and this GPT-4o, right? Now if you want to add a new model, here you see that there is an option add model. So just click on this add model. Now here you have to add the model and you have to give the model name. So how will you get the model name? By the way, we will use here Open Router as a API provider, because it is completely free to use. Now for that, if you scroll down below, here you see the OpenAI API key option. So just turn on it, and after that here you will find one sentence like override OpenAI base URL. Okay, follow my cursor. Now here you have to provide the Open Router OpenAI compatible best URL. Okay. Now how will you get this URL? I have given in the description box. Okay. So actually this is the URL. This openrouter.ai/API/version1. This is the OpenAI compatible API for the Open Router. Okay. Now just copy this URL from the description and paste it here. Okay. Now click on the save. Now after that, here you have to provide the API key. So how will you get the API key? Let's say I want to add this Deepseek version 3.1 API, means this 0324 model in my cursor. Now this link I have given in the description box. So here you see that it is written that Deepseek chat V3 free. Now here from this icon you have to copy this model. Okay, so just copy this, and now after that go to your cursor. Okay, and here in this add model option, click on this, and here paste this model name and press enter. Now after that it will be added to your list. Okay, now here you have to provide your API key. How will you get the API key? Here you see that if you scroll down, there is a API option. So click on this API. Now here you see that create API key. Now here there is a create key option. Click on this create key. Now in this pop-up, give a name, give any name according to your choice, and after that click on this create box, and now our API key will be created for you. Now copy that API key, and after that go to your cursor and here paste it. Click on this verify. Now after it got verified, you will be able to use that model. So in the same way you have to add this Gemini 2.5 Pro also. Let me show you. So here if I search for this Gemini Pro 2.5, here you see that this is the model. So just copy this model from this icon. Okay, now after that add it here in this cursor, this add model option. Remember one thing, when you paste this model name, after that press enter. Okay, don't press on this add model, just press enter. Now it will be added. Okay, now this is the procedure to add the model inside cursor. Now after that you will get all of this model under this drop down. Here you see that I have got all of this. Now suppose I want to generate a website using this Deepseek version 3.1. In that case what I will do, I will just give one prompt. So I have one prompt. This is the prompt like design a restaurant website menu with filterable categories and mouth-watering images. Create a table reservation from with date, time, and party size selection. Now click on this send. Now here you see that Here in this way you will get the opportunity to use the cursor, and also you will get the advantage of this agentic capability of cursor, all of these things. Now my code is ready. It is a simple HTML page, and all of this CSS and JavaScript is written inside this simple HTML file. Okay, but in your real life implementation, you may use the Angular or React, Next.js, any framework, or if you want to use any backend implementation, in that case you can go for the Spring or Spring Boot, okay, Java, and also Python. Many framework are there. Okay, it is your choice. But for this video purpose, I have just generated on a simple website. Now let me run this and let me show you that how it looks like. So now I am using this live server. So you want to open this on localhost 5500, and here we got the UI. So here you see that this is a simple UI, and this is the menu. Currently there is one menu, and by the way I can add, or I can tell this cursor that please add many menus in this website. And also here you see that make a reservation. You can put your name, email, date, time, party size, and click on the reserve table, and now it will work. Okay, you can make this website more modern looking by using or by giving more prompts. Okay, so this is the way to generate the code using this new models and cursor, and this is the way to add this model inside cursor. I hope you found this video helpful, guys. If you found helpful, and if you want to get this type of videos more, don't forget to subscribe this channel. Don't forget to watch the other videos also, because all of the videos that I have published are helpful. Okay, so see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe this channel.